Poets predict the prophecies. Rappers, they only boast. I'm in a room full of kinfolk, I gotta propose a toast. Pay me enough to change, my integrity's not a joke. And if lack of's considered riches and shit, I'm barely broke. I've been rocking since the beginning. Hear the crowd, they cheering. You never thought this young man ever had it in him. Flow is poisonous, they call it water moccasin venom. 2025 witness KnightKrawler's about to get him. I ain't learned from a stage rapper, stay in your lane. I was born to do this here, I never did it for fame. Got it from no studio, mystique, work on your flow. Me and you completely different, but you already know. Soul poureth out my mouth when I talk to this crowd. It's a kindred spirit here, the people bound to me now. And I'm bound to them goodbye to all the haters and clowns. As long as God is on my team, they don't stopping me now. I got the mind of a writer. This is my soul, my life, and my heart's my amplifier. I don't need no mic.